definitely things I like about it, but this video is about the one thing that I can't stand. I mean, I loathe this with a passion. I don't know what's going on, and I don't know if it's something you could shut off. There's nothing that's, I mean, there's lots of buttons. This one happens to be loaded with a bunch of stuff, which is cool, but there's not like an on-off button for this, and I don't know if it's somewhere in the modes somewhere, and I never heard anyone talking about this before, but it is massively bothersome. I've been in and out of this truck probably 30 times since I've had it. Ran a bunch of errands, drove the highway, drove back roads, in and out of parking lots and stores, and there's something that just, I'm like, something's going on here, and it's with the seat. The driver's seat is automatic here, and for some reason, when I get in the truck, it's the back part of it is lowered. Like, I adjust it so that I'm comfortable, I'm sitting upright, and like I do my errands where I come back to the truck and I'm driving, I'm like, where the hell's the back of the truck? It's just the seat goes like back automatically. So I'm trying to see if I can detect this physically happening. So let me shut it. I purposely put the seat like way forward. I'm sitting crazy forward right now. So let me shut the truck off. I'm putting pressure backwards a little so I could feel it. So when I shut the truck off, the seat has not moved at all. Let's see if it moves. You have to trust me on this. When I open the door. Okay, it has not moved yet. Let me get out of the truck. All right, I can't tell that it's moved. I don't really know. Let me shut the door. All right, just assume there I am. Shopping, doing whatever. Okay, let me lock it up actually even. I don't see it moving. All right, okay, I'm done. Unlock the door. Let's get back in the truck. And holy moly, it moved again. It's the weirdest thing. I don't know what's happening. Now, what's interesting is that I had it way forward, and it feels like it moved back just a little, like it's more comfortable right now, but it's not like leaning all the way back. Before, I had it kind of normal, and then I get in and it was just like way back. Like I could barely reach the steering wheel because it was so far back. So I don't know what's going on. Is this like an anomaly? Is this a weird quirk on this specific truck? Is this something you guys ever heard of before? I have no idea. All right, guys, so I just got home and I realized what's going on here. And it's the same issue that Rob Motive's having. I got out, and when I got out, I actually felt the button. So to lower the back, right, is this button. Makes sense. That lowers the back and raises it, right? Very simple. Well, just because of, I don't know, the angle here, I feel like on the 3rd gen, it's more upright with the cushion. But when I'm sliding out or getting in, my thigh is literally pushing down on this, and it's making the back go down every time I get in and out. That is super annoying. But at least I know exactly what it is. It's not a function. It's not something you can shut off. That would be a permanent concern for me and a constant annoyance. I had my wife just drive the car, or the truck rather. She likes it. She thinks it's awesome. She's totally into tech and everything. So the charging pad's way better, and she's, you know, pointing out all these different things that I didn't realize. And this actually has heating and cooling. So I'll talk about that in the other video, but the cooling, I've never had that before in a vehicle, and that is pretty darn cool, even though today is like 13 degrees and couldn't be windier. So I wouldn't want that today, but that is the issue. And that sucks. That is not good. So anyway, that's all. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.